If you're getting sore eyes when you paint minis, then you might need an upgrade. Getting eye strain or eye pain or sore eyes can be pretty annoying and painful and really put you off mini painting. You know, especially if you've been staring at a computer screen all day, it can be really hard to start painting at night. So in this video, I'm going to discuss if these clip-on magnifying glasses could perhaps help you out and other ways you can also stop your eyes from getting sore. So these sexy things are the Kikar Clip-On Magnifying Glasses. This is not a sponsored video. I recently turned 30 and my friends wanted to let me know that I'm over the hill now by buying me these. So that's how I got them. So what you get on the box is the clip-on section, which has a spring-loaded clip with rubber feet on it to not scratch your lenses, your actual glass lenses. And then you get four lenses in the box, 1.7, 2, 2.5, and a 3 times zoom lenses. And it's all pretty plastic fantastic. I think even the lenses themselves are plastic. I've been using them, and one thing that I've noticed is the focal range is really close. So you have to hold the mini quite close to you for them to actually be in focus. For the 3 times zoom, it has to be that close to me for it to actually be in focus. Yeah, so this is the 1.7, and this is about how far I have to hold it away from me for it to be in focus. Because of that, you know, when you're painting, if you go into your palette or to the water cup, they're all entirely out of focus if you're looking through the lens. So you have to like look around it to see those. It only sort of takes up about like 1/4 of your vision, so it's pretty easy to look around it, but it's just something you have to get used to when you're using them. The lenses I've been using the most are the 1.7 and the 3.0 zooms. The 1.7 doesn't zoom in that far, like obviously it's like 70% more, but it doesn't feel like it's zoomed in. It just feels like it's sort of giving you a bit of support, like a man's ear. And so I quite like that. The 3.0 is, you know, quite obviously zoomed in on the mini and can really help you see details. But you know, because you're zoomed in, like for example, these guys, whatever they're called, I can't see the whole mini in the lens at once, like from head to tail. So I've, you know, moved it around. It's not an issue, but that's kind of like the zoom you're talking about. I do like these clip-on magnifiers, the ones that attach to your head, because they obviously move with your head, keeps everything relative to you a bit easier. I've used those magnifiers that are like desk mounted, and you kind of got to get the mini under the magnifier and your face in the right position, and then sort of hold everything still. With these, you know, because it's attached to your face, then as you move around and make little micro adjustments, it all stays with you. So I find them quite easy to use. The other thing is they obviously give you +10 style points because they're super cool looking. The other thing they do though is because they're, you know, they have a bit of weight out on the front of your glasses, they can cause your glasses to slide down your face a bit, especially because these ones I'm wearing don't have rubber feet, so they don't grip to my nose super well. So if that's an issue for you, it could be annoying. Overall, I think these things do the job as advertised. They're not amazing quality, but they, you know, definitely give you a taste of what these sorts of things can do. There are other ways to prevent eye strain that you can do before you buy something extreme like this. Now, firstly, with eye strain, one of the reasons it happens is because it's like the muscles in your eyes that are tensing up to focus your eyes on things. So when you look into the distance, those muscles are relaxed to focus in the distance. And when you're focusing at something close to you, they, you know, pull tense to, I don't know, do something with your eye to focus closely. That's what my eye mechanic said. What he said to do is, you know, look into the distance regularly to let those muscles relax and not be tensed all the time. So throughout your day, you know, make sure to look in the distance regularly to let your eyes relax. Next thing you want to do when painting is make sure you have good lighting. So have nice, bright, white lights that's easily adjustable. You can put it in the right position, and the most important thing is just to have enough light. It's amazing how difficult it is to paint when your lighting is not sorted out. The other thing I'd say is just make sure you go to your optometrist. I was getting headaches about 4 p.m. every single day for a while there before I went to mine and got these. Not these, you know, the real glasses. So if you are having issues, make sure you get your eyes checked out for real. And then finally, you know, maybe check out something like these clip-on lenses, or you can get ones that are a full headband or head mount magnifying glasses, they call them. They all basically do the same job. If you need help holding your minis, then I've got this sick video on how to hold your minis to paint better. Like this video, then like it, and subscribe if you want to get more awesome videos on how to paint minis. Cheers.